Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and in today's video, I'll show you how to use predictive analytics in Klaviyo. So first, let's go to your Klaviyo account and click on Profiles and pick anybody who placed order. You should know, or you can create segments. So I already opened this person, and on the right side can be closed, but click on the plus sign and it will be open. This is predictive analytics. So Klaviyo created machine learning model where it, based on customers' behavior, it predicts how much money you will make on that specific customers and how many orders they will place and what the average between their orders. So this information you can create in segments, and you can create segments based on this information, and then those segments can trigger specific flow. At this moment, Klaviyo doesn't have any kind of example, but it will be available shortly. And as well, when they will be available, or maybe I will come up with some kind of concept, I will post the video and I'll show you some kind of example. But at this moment, I just want to show you, maybe it will trigger your inspiration, what we can create, and maybe you don't know how to create technically. So ask the question below and I'll show you how to create technically. But at this moment, I just need concepts, like what can we use it for. So here, historic customer value. By the way, this is a bad example because there's no information for predicted customer value, lifetime value. So let's do, I created the segments. Let's do this one. Okay, so let's use this one. So for example, they already spent $86 and they made 2 orders. So the machine learning tells us that predicted additional customer life value, this is what stands for, right here, it's $4, and they will place 0.05 orders. So this is again bad example, but let's assume our average order is $20. So if we have $20 here, we can create a segment right here. So let's say create a segment. Value, and we can say predicted sample value is greater than, let's say, 20, and it will show you all customers. Let's say this one. So as you can see, predicted customer lifetime value is $81, and you can create a flow and send them email when they reach that number, and you can average time between orders is 406 days. So it's again bad example, but in this case, average order is for like 34 days. So maybe in 34 days you want to send them another email to convince them to buy, or maybe offer something. But like, again, I don't want to waste your time and go over this, but this is information you have and you can use to create segments, and based on that information you can create different kind of emails and offer for them, like to extend customer lifetime value. Please let me know if you have any additional questions, and please subscribe, because we releasing this kind of video every day for the next year. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like button below. Please comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, click subscribe button below and click on the bell button to receive notifications when we release new video. We release new tutorial every day, and educational video every Thursday.